In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to reset your Facebook account password without old password or current password. Go to your Facebook app and log into the Facebook account. Tap on your profile photo, tap on settings. Under settings and privacy, tap on account center. Under account center, tap on password and security. Tap on change password and select your Facebook account. And we can see from here, if you want to change your Facebook password, you need your current or old password. So all you have to need, just tap on forget your password. And now select a verification method. So in order to reset our Facebook account password without current or old password, we have to verify any of this option. So you can verify your Facebook using your WhatsApp, using the verification code or the email address. So in my case, I'm selecting here send code via email, tapping on continue. So I'm going to my Gmail and just collecting the verification code, copying the code here and pasting the code here, tapping on continue to verify. So once you successfully verified your Facebook account, email address or using authentication code, here we can see the field to easily write a new password for our Facebook account without current password. Just enter here a new password for your Facebook account and tap on next, and your Facebook account password will be changed. Thanks for watching.